I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by uploading the PDF and giving clear instructions about what you want extracted. Explain whether you need editable text, preserved formatting, or images kept as pictures. If the file is a scan, tell Chatgpt that OCR is required and call out any low-quality pages. Once done, provide page ranges or examples of tricky sections. Make sure to attach or paste a representative sample, if privacy limits full upload, so the model can adapt conversion suggestions immediately. Now instruct Chatgpt to extract text and recreate the word structure, headings, lists, tables, and image placeholders. Supply specific formatting rules such as fonts, margins, and list styles so the output matches your template. If you have a scanned PDF, request OCR with a confidence threshold and ask the model to flag low confidence lines. Make sure to ask for a downloadable, docx or rich text output, or for a step-by-step script you can run locally to generate the Word file exactly as specified. Finish by downloading and inspecting the Word document. Check headings, spacing, tables, and images for alignment or OCR mistakes. If you see errors, tell Chatgpt precise fixes, example, convert heading 2 to H2, adjust table cell widths, or rerun OCR on page 4. If problems persist, export the content to plain text to recover clean text, then reapply formatting. Alternatively, run a dedicated OCR tool on scanned pages before asking Chatgpt to reformat. A common
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.